So when you get to the point where you're doing retreats and you're charging 25,000 and people say, Keith, man, you charging 25,000, you should be ashamed of yourself. You need to humble yourself. You're just not my client.
Got it. I'm excited to step into that energy. I'm gonna give people something. If I'm charging $25,000, I'm gonna go above and beyond to give them, that's just what I believe in, and the work ethic that I have, and also just what I want to give to the world, like excellence, greatness. So, like you said, professionalism, that's what sells me on you. Well, like not just that, but like that's what resonates with me so much about you is your professionalism.
Appreciate that,
And
man.
as a black man, like in business, it we're like you're setting the example, you're setting a bar, you know what I mean, to show that like we're more than just, not that there's anything wrong with being a rapper or being but that we can do business and do it well and be respected the same as any other color person. And to me, that's revolutionary. That's game changing. That's generational changing. Like it's big. So I don't take it for granted.
No, absolutely, man. And I definitely appreciate that. And so that's all of the things we're going to be working on and grooming you with.